In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic light leaks in Premiere Pro. These glowing, colourful flares can add warmth, vintage charm, or energetic transitions to your edits without any plugins. We'll build them from scratch using a simple colour matte, a heavy Gaussian blur, a bit of animation, and the right blend mode to make everything feel natural over your footage. Start by creating the source of the glow, a colour matte. In the project panel, click New Item and choose Colour Matte. Match your sequence settings so it fits your frame automatically. When the color picker appears, choose a warm tone. Think gentle oranges, rosy pinks, or soft yellows. These hues mimic how real light leaks behave when film gets exposed. Avoid neon or fully saturated colors. A slightly muted, warm shade blends more convincingly. Drag the new matte onto a track above your footage so it sits on top of the shot you want to enhance. Next, soften that matte into a glow. In the effects panel, find Gaussian blur and drop it onto the matte. Crank the blurriness up until any hard edges disappear and you're left with a smooth, diffused shape. Don't be afraid to push it far. Light leaks should look like soft washes of color, not solid blocks. If you notice darkening along the edges, enable repeat edge pixels to keep the glow clean across the frame. Now bring the leak to life by animating it. With the matte selected, open Effect Controls and set keyframes for opacity and position. Stagger the opacity so it rises and falls irregularly. Light leaks feel most natural when they flicker unpredictably. Think of it as gentle breathing rather than a steady pulse. For position, nudge the matte so it drifts slowly across the frame, occasionally sliding partly off screen. Small, smooth movements work best. Ease your keyframes so the motion starts and stops organically. Finally, blend the glow into your footage. In the opacity section, switch the blend mode from normal to add, screen, or soft light. Add gives the brightest, punchiest result. Screen is a touch gentler. Soft light is the most subtle and can feel very filmic. After choosing a mode, fine-tune the layer's opacity to dial in the intensity. If the color feels off, simply change the matte's color to a different warm hue and keep the rest of the setup the same. Keep it subtle, let the glow complement your story, and you'll have custom light leaks that look cinematic and intentional.